Hey everyone, welcome back to Thy Legal Lens, where we break down complex legal topics into simple, easy to understand insights. Today we're diving into a crucial topic: the legal rules governing digital media. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone who uses the internet daily, this is something you need to know. So, let's get started. Section 1: Intellectual Property. Laws. First up, let's talk about intellectual property laws. If you create content online, whether it's videos, blogs, music, or designs, your work is protected under copyright, trademark, and patent laws. Copyright protects original content like videos, images, and music from being copied or used without permission. Fair use allows limited use of copyrighted material for commentary, criticism, education, or news reporting. But be careful. Misusing this can lead to copyright strikes. Trademarks protect brand names, logos, and slogans. So, if you're starting a business or a brand, securing a trademark is a smart move. Section 2: Privacy and Data Protection Laws. Next, let's talk about privacy and data protection laws. Ever wondered what happens to your personal data when you visit a website or use an app? Laws like the GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, in Europe, and CCPA, California Consumer Privacy Act, in the US, are designed to protect your personal information. Websites must ask for consent before collecting your data. You have the right to access, modify, or delete your personal data. Companies must inform users if their data has been leaked in a security breach. And here's a big one: the right to be forgotten, which lets you request removal of your personal data from search engines. Section 3: Cybersecurity and Cybercrime Laws. Now, let's get into cybersecurity and cybercrime laws. With increasing cyber threats, hacking, and data breaches, governments worldwide are stepping up their regulations. The Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, CFAA, makes hacking and unauthorized access to computer systems illegal. Laws against identity theft, phishing, and online fraud exist to protect you from cybercriminals. If a company's data is breached, they are legally required to inform users under laws like GDPR. So, always use strong passwords and be cautious of suspicious emails or links. Section 4: Online Defamation and Fake News. Let's move on to a hot topic: defamation and fake news. Posting false information about someone online that damages their reputation is called defamation, and you can be sued for it. Countries like Singapore and the EU have strict anti-fake news laws that require social media platforms to remove false information. Before you share or post something, always verify your sources. Section 5: E-commerce and consumer rights. If you shop or sell online, listen up. E-commerce and consumer protection laws safeguard buyers and sellers in digital transactions. Online businesses must provide clear terms of service and refund policies. False advertising and misleading product descriptions are illegal in many countries. Digital contracts, like the I agree checkbox on websites, are legally binding in most places. Always read the fine print before making a purchase. Section 6: Social media and free speech. Social media is a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility. Laws vary worldwide regarding free speech, censorship, and platform responsibility. In the US, Section 230 protects platforms like Facebook and YouTube from being sued for user-generated content. Some countries have strict regulations on hate speech, misinformation, and extremist content. The EU Digital Markets Act, DMA, holds tech giants accountable for harmful content. So, while free speech is important, remember that online platforms can remove content that violates their policies. Section 7: Digital rights and online harassment. Lastly, let's talk about digital rights and online harassment. Cyberbullying, harassment, and online stalking are criminal offenses in many countries. Social media platforms have strict rules against hate speech and harassment. Some nations have implemented laws to protect digital privacy and free speech. Be respectful online. Your digital footprint is permanent. Conclusion. And that wraps up today's video on legal rules about digital media. We covered intellectual property, privacy, cybersecurity, defamation, e-commerce, social media laws, and digital rights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon